Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back. Let's keep up with our analysis of the Bitcoin market. So in general, on the longer term charts, we do not have really big shifts. So market still stands around the resistance, which is the 28 area. As you can see on the monthly chart, this is 30% resistance. And yearly pivot point, so market stands slightly above it, but still can't show the significant upward continuation by far, meeting the resistance from the level from the previous lows that stands around 29.50. So in general, this is important resistance area, and if market will break it up, we expect a further upward direction to probably next level around 35.38. This will be next area where the market could try to reach. Meantime, you can see that the MACD predictor comes closer, and with this March and April, we probably should get some flirting around it. And potentially it might be appearing of the bearish grabber. Appearing of the grabber right at the resistance without any solid upward continuation from the price action could change situation drastically, suggesting taking out with these lows, which in turn could tell us that probably market is going to our 12 even target. As you can see it on the weekly chart. That's our major ABCD. This is major OP, 12.23. This week, as you can see on the weekly chart, is really very quiet. So market is just calling around the same resistance level without the ability to break it up and keep going higher. On the lower time frame, a few important moments we have. First of all, just keeping in mind that this is strong resistance area. Take a look on the daily chart. We have bearish reversal session that has happened yesterday. And this performance is especially interesting. It's just because yesterday J. Powell's speech was mostly dovish, supportive for currencies, for euro currencies. You can see performance in other currencies. Gold market also has jumped up. First reaction from the stock market also was positive, but later it was reversed down. And Bitcoin reaction, well, supposedly it should be also positive. It's just because based on the fundamentals, rate has been changed, not too significant. Further rate change stands under question. Expectation of all investors currently suggest, well, a bit earlier rate cuts, earlier turning to easing, and fundamentally that should be theoretically supportive for Bitcoin. But in reality, as you can see, the situation stands different. And currently it's mostly technical factor stands in place. So once the situation with the deposit cash flows out from the banks is a bit calmed down, some negative news have appeared concerning the Securities and Exchange Commission in relation to Binance. Representatives, Binance Chief Executive Officer have appeared. All the stuff start pushing and pressing on the Bitcoin market, and we have the bearish candle here that's suggesting deep downside action, stronger retracement. We're not talking on the break in the trend by far, but this performance suggests pullback. It's a bit stronger than it stands right now. In general, from technical points of view, there's no problems, just because market, as we said, stands near weekly resistance, and it's obviously that some bearish reaction should happen on the daily chart as well. On the 4 time frame chart, that's the levels that we could keep an eye on. This is actually a target that we have specified last time, and we said very probable that around this area market will show downward drop. It's just because this COP, although this is a minor extension, just 618 extension, but COP agrees with the major weekly resistance area, and this combination has really good background for possible deep retracement. Now markets drop to the 2670 first support, shows minor pullback. Now I would consider it be deeper downward action back to the 25.50 that we specified last time. Now it probably will be in some way of the ABCD pattern. So here we probably could consider something like downside ABCD based on the recent collapse that we've got yesterday. So it probably will be some kind of the ABCD pattern. Just we need to set the proper extensions here. As you can see, what we have, OP will be 25.56, 1618 stands in 24.15 approximately. I would consider this level because it perfectly fits to confluence support and gives us the clear ABCD agreement area. So that's at least the level that market could reach. But let's see, we will see what will happen here. If we will get straightforward downside collapse, of course it means that probably it will get should keep going lower. If it will gradual slow down action, that's chances around or for reversal around this area will be not bad. So just need to see what will happen. But at the current moment, after this sell-off, and taking into consideration all the technical picture that we have, fundamental background, I wouldn't consider taking the long position right at this point. So we should wait at least for another leg of the downside retracement.